Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. I've got for you Belter Yamaha R1 60th anniversary edition. Best colour scheme is incredible. The black and yellow speed blocks. It's got the Akrapovic titanium exhaust with a carbon cover on it. It's got all the right bits you'd want to fit to yours. Talk you through some bits and pieces. Nice big taller screen. We have got the standard screen as well. It's got some Renthal clip-on bars that just give it a slightly wider sort of grip on there, but we do have the standard ones for you. You can see around there. Lovely big monoblock brakes. It's got the full colour digital display. It'll come to there, and you get adjustable power modes, traction control, slide control. It's got a quick shifter on there. When you pull the brake, you can see it tells you how much brake force you've got on, braking force, lean force, and so on. Gear indicator. Mega bikes. It's got the Akrapovic pipe down there. It's got the tail tidy. It's a one-owner bike with full service history, and it was only serviced last month at Yamaha main dealer. Absolutely immaculate bike, and so we've got all the standard parts. One owner bike with full history. Tyres absolutely mint. It's just a gorgeous bike. We'll give it a start so you can hear it. Best sounding bike on the planet, they're mega. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.